Today, I will guide you through the full process of trying to change the server in Bloodstrike. Start by opening Bloodstrike on your phone. Wait for the main screen to load. When you are on the main lobby screen, look toward the top right corner. You will see a small gear icon. This is the Settings button. Tap on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Inside the Settings menu, look again toward the top area. You will find a customer support icon. Tap on this icon to open the support page. At the top of the customer support page, there is a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type how to change server. After typing your question, confirm the search. After a moment, the support bot will send a reply. The bot will explain that when players log in for the first time, the game automatically assigns a server based on their region and connection. Bloodstrike does not allow players to manually change their server after the account has been created. This means there is no button, no menu, and no official method inside the game that lets you switch to a different server once you have already started playing. Thanks for watching.